Welcome back to Learning with Bella and Lana. Today we're making a friendly shark head costume. First, we need white paper, blue paper, a pencil, black crayon, scissors, glue, and some strings. Now, draw a big upside down U on the blue paper. Make it nice and wide and tall. Then draw a smaller upside down U inside it. That's the shark's big mouth. Then fold the blue paper in half like a book.
Fold.
With the grown-ups' help, cut along the big U and then cut out the inside too. Save the piece from the middle. We'll use it for the fins later. Then place the blue paper on top of the white paper. Draw zigzag lines along the sides. These are the sharp teeth. Then cut them out.
Wow, gee, nice big amount.
Yes. Now, draw 2 white circles for eyes. Then cut it out. Then paste it. Draw a black dot in each circle. Then draw a little shark nose. Get the piece we saved earlier and fold it in half and cut. Glue 1/2 to each side of the head. These are the shark's side fins. And that's it! Our shark head costume is finished and ready to wear. Are you happy, Bella?
Yes!
What can we do next with our shark?
Simulation.
Great! Let's go!
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark.
What's next?
Mama shark, do-do-do-do-do.
Mama.
Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do.
I'm a grandma.
Grandpa shark,
I'm a grandpa.
Grandpa shark, do-do-do-do-do. Grandpa shark.
Like this. Hala.
Look, I'm doing. Going swimming, do-do-do-do-do. Going swimming, do-do-do-do-do. Going swimming, do-do-do-do-do. Going swimming.
What's next?
See a shark, do-do-do-do-do. See a shark, do-do-do-do-do. See a shark, do-do-do-do-do. See a shark. Shark attack, do-do-do-do-do. Shark attack. Swimming fast, do-do-do-do-do. Swimming fast, do-do-do-do-do. Swimming fast, do-do-do-do-do. Swimming fast. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do. Safe at
Hooray! Like this. Hooray!
Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.